What's going on? This is Coach Kev. Does your credit score start with a 4, 5, or 6? Do you have late payments, charge off, collections, student loans, repos, evictions, inquiries on your credit report that needs disputing? All you have to do is shoot me a quick text at 786-788-3815. You should see it on the screen. But look at this. This is an example of one of my clients who recently just enrolled, and look at their credit report. Now, of course, you won't know who this is, but look at this. As you can see, they tried to, it looked like they're trying to purchase a car, right? Um, Looks like they're trying to get a credit card. Multiple, you can see they went to multiple dealers, and all of these items are literally hurting their credit. Now, I don't know if you know this for yourself, but if you're looking to purchase a house, purchase a car, or just get approved, you need to put yourself in the best situation. Running your credit multiple different places is actually taking you far further away from the goal. Shoot me a quick text, get me on the phone. Let's give you a free consultation where I can help you figure out what's on your credit report, and then we can start helping you dispute these negative items. This client now has access to our AI software with a few clicks of a button. They'll be able to click these items, the AI would draft up the dispute letters, and then the letters will be able to go in the mail first class without them leaving their house. And again, inquiries are a killer. We have this software where you can generate your dispute letters literally today and get you to the next level. This is Coach Kev signing off. Don't forget, shoot me a quick text 786-788-3815. It should be on the screen. And also in the description of this video, you will be able to go directly to my website if you need expedited help. All right. I'll see you on the other side.